it's morning. I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind. Do you believe it's morning? I'm alive, but that's the
Today
last
I will revisit ollieing the stairs. I'll be honest, the last time I tried stairs, I had no idea what I was doing. I thought I was ollieing, but they are clearly not ollies. They're not proper ollies. I somehow cleared it because I had a lot of speed. When I first started landing ollies, I moved on from them far too quickly. You know how it is, you just get bored of practicing ollies over and over, and you don't feel like you're progressing unless you land something new. This is especially the case when you first start skateboarding. You feel like you need to keep landing new tricks, but this is not true. It took me a while to fully understand this. In these revisited videos, I come back to tricks that I've previously landed and what I've done to correct some of the biggest mistakes that I was making, and yeah, how I've improved my technique and form. So let's get started. For a long while, I would not slide my front foot, causing my ollies to rocket up. Now that I slide my front foot forward a bit more, I can ollie higher and have more control when I land. Secondly, I would not catch the board with my back foot. Ideally, my back foot should meet the board right after the slide. My weight distribution would be off. I would often bail forward. Now I try to stay level with the board and lean a tiny bit back while popping. Alright. Almost up to my knees, but that's not saying much because I'm quite short. Somehow clearing it, but they're not proper ollies. I shouldn't be sitting like this, it looks weird. That was a bit better. I think I'm warmed up for the stairs. Actually, I want to try something else.
Doing good.
Thanks. Yeah. Thanks. Trying. All right, that felt better. Now that I've warmed up, I'm not as afraid as I was in the beginning. I might even actually get this first try. It doesn't look too scary. It's just the beginning step that I'm worried about because it's not flat. Okay, I was fooling myself. I'm actually terrified. Fear has sunk in.
It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care. No, I don't even care anymore.
It may not happen today, guys. Maybe I should ollie up at first. I almost did it. If I can ollie up this, I can definitely ollie down. Surely ollieing down is easier than ollieing up. I don't know.
Try it, man.
Cheers, man. Thank you.
I can't even do this. I'm scared. Oh, hi.
Oh yeah, I came here to ollie down the stairs. Can we just skip the ollieing down the stairs and... Well, there's good progress anyway. I don't think I've ever tried to ollie up. Is this a free set? Okay, I think that was the first hurdle. I just had to launch off this. Now, I should be able to get it. I'm ready to commit until the very last point where I don't even pop. I'm not going to make it without the pop and slide. In the next few tries, if I don't actually do a proper ollie, I might have to call it quits, because I heard it's not a good time to go hospital these days. Can we count that? Nah. I'm not dumb enough to hurt myself seriously, so it might be game over. I usually hate quitting. Okay. I know what the problem was. I was going too fast. Now, normally I can ollie at speed when it's on flat ground. That doesn't terrify me too much. But adding a free set really freaked me out, and I wasn't really doing the proper ollie technique, the ollie form, and it was getting dangerous. So I slowed down and tried again, and it worked. I just landed it. Okay, that was a terrible ollie, but I lost a piece of hardware. That's the first time that's ever happened to me. Am I starting to become an okay skater? Maybe. Just maybe. I should keep that. Can't find my bolt though. Damn.
I don't think you can actually, though.
Huh? It's a challenge.
You could try.
I'll show you. Don't worry, she's far away now. Dang it! She was right. Can't do it. But they call me Adnan Khan. I found my bolt. Yeah, so they were not the best of ollies. I'm still repeating quite a lot of the mistakes I was doing a year and a half ago. But nevertheless, I'm quite happy with that. I've managed to clear it, and I almost ollied up, which was surprising. It's quite high up. Probably over two boards up. So yeah, it's been a good day. Yeah, these videos are not tutorials. I've been skating for 3 years, so make sure you follow some sensible people. Yeah, if you want to take anything away from my videos, it's just a bit of motivation to go out and skate. If this idiot can do it, trust me, you can too.